If your setup takes longer than a coffee break, you're doing it wrong. Make VS Code your coding home, fast. Let's go from zero to ready in under a minute. First, head to code.visualstudio.com/download. Pick your operating system, download the installer, and run it. For Windows users, when you see Add to Path, make sure it's checked. This makes your life way easier. Click through the defaults, hit Install, then Finish. VS Code should pop up right away. Skip the welcome page so it won't bug you next time. To open your code, go to File, Open Folder, and pick your project. Trust the workspace when prompted. Now press Ctrl and the comma key for quick settings. Turn on autosave and pick a comfy color theme. Next, hit Ctrl+Shift+X to open extensions. Search and install Live Server Prettier and Bracket Pair Colorizer. Start a new file type, hit Tab, Instant HTML. Right-click and launch with Live Server to see your site live. Boom! You're ready to code like a pro.